In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Payhip. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. At the top of the page, look for the menu item labeled Products and click on it. This will take you to your product list where you can see anything you've already created. On the top right of this list, click Add New Product. Payhip will now show you several different product types you can create. Scroll down until you see the option for Course and select that. Next, you'll set up your new course. Start by adding a clear course title. This is what your students will see, so choose something descriptive and straightforward. Once you've typed in your title, click Add Course at the bottom right to create it. Payhip will now take you into the course builder. You'll notice it has already created a first section for you. On the right side of that section, click the pencil icon to edit its title. For example, you might call your first section Getting Started. When you're happy with the title, click the check icon to save it. Inside that section, click Add New Lesson. Again, click the pencil icon next to the lesson name to rename it. For example, Course Overview. Click the check icon to confirm. To add content to this lesson, click on the lesson itself. This opens the lesson editor. Here, you can choose what type of lesson you want to create: video, text, quiz, download, survey, assignment, or embed. For instance, if you choose text for your first lesson, you can write out your course overview directly in the editor. Rich text is supported, so you can use headings, bold formatting, and links to make it more readable. Once you're done editing the lesson, you can decide whether to publish it right away, make it a free preview so potential students can see it, set it as a prerequisite that must be completed before later lessons, enable discussions for student interaction, remove margins on the course player, and choose a lesson icon and label to make the curriculum easier to scan. When everything looks good, click Save Changes at the bottom. You now have your course and your first lesson. To see what your students will experience, scroll back up and click Preview on the top right. When you're finished previewing, click Back to Curriculum. You can repeat this process to add as many sections and lessons as you need, structuring the course in a way that makes sense for your topic and teaching style. At the top of the course builder, you'll also see several tabs. Let's go through the most important ones. Start with the Settings tab. Here you can edit your course product title if you change your mind later, upload a product thumbnail image, and choose whether customers are automatically subscribed to your mailing list when they purchase. You can also indicate if the product is tax exempt and add author details and a profile image to give your course a more personal touch. Whenever you make changes on this page, scroll down and click Save Changes. Next, click the Pricing tab. On the top right, click Add Pricing Plan. A pop-up will appear where you can choose how you want to charge for the course. You can set it as a one-time purchase, a subscription, a payment plan, or even offer it for free. Enter a pricing plan name that clearly explains what it is. Adding a description and an image is optional but helpful if you plan to offer multiple plans. When you're done, click Add Pricing Plan. Wait for it to finish loading and you'll see your new plan appear in the pricing plan list. Then go to the Publish tab. This is where you control the visibility and status of your course. You can keep it as a draft while you're still building it, set it to pre-order with options for visible, invisible, or unlisted, or fully publish it with the same visibility choices. Once you've selected the status that fits where you are in your launch process, click Save Changes at the bottom. You'll also notice additional tabs like Pages, Members, Certificates, Video Library, and Drip. These give you more control over the sales page design, student management, completion certificates, hosting your videos, and releasing content over time. You can explore these as you refine and enhance your course. And that's the full process of creating a course on Payhip. From setting up your curriculum and lessons to configuring settings, pricing, and publishing options.